Today we're talking about workflow. How do you get the work moving up and down the chain of command for the satisfaction of the client in an effective manner? Well, how many times have people talked to you about getting or sending an email at 4:30 on a Friday with no response or not wanting to respond? It happens all the time in law firm America and in some corporate entities. What I will say is it's how you manage your workflow overall that will determine how and when people respond to you. If you've come to an agreement that not everything is a 5-alarm fire, and that if something is sent on a Friday afternoon, it's probably because it's really important. Otherwise, if you're the partner generating the work to the associates, you have to be cognizant of the fact that that item has been sitting in your inbox since Monday or Tuesday, and the client checked in with you on Friday and you forgot to send it to anyone. Well, you have to take accountability for that. And conversely, if you're an associate, you have to understand that work needs to get done sometimes. And if the partner that you're working with is communicated effectively with regarding work you're already working on, you're not going to get that 5-alarm fire 4:30 email. Now, before you tell me, that's not the case, it happens all the time, and so on and so forth, it's up to all of you to change the narrative. How do you do that? Communication and accountability. And that accountability is self-accountability. If you're a partner closer to my age, I'm the youngest of the boomers, then you have to understand that you cannot expect people to jump at the last minute for you. Those days are over. It happened in your generation. It doesn't happen anymore. And conversely, if you're an associate, well, you've got to earn your stripes. You've got to provide some value. And you have to generate work sometimes when maybe you have to put things on the side. It's a win-win for everyone if you come to communication and accountability that works for all of you. I'm not saying that one side is right and one side is wrong. What I'm saying is workflow. It's the most important thing. Why is that? Number one, if the client gets the result they want, they're going to pay the firm's bill, they're going to give you more work. Keeps all of you employed. Number two, the more deals that you work on for clients, the more money you'll all make. And number three, you'll advance your career. Whether you're a mid-career partner or a boomer who's aging out, you'll be able to kind of advance where you need to. And more importantly, if you're a younger attorney, well, you get to advance up the chain of command based upon your value to a partner, to a practice group, and providing flawless service at most times for clients. No one is saying to give up your life in order to get the work accomplished. What we are saying here is start communicating. You'll all be happier for it, and you'll be doing smarter work more effectively.